Okay, so I got my sister's TV. Sorry for whispering, but there's someone sleeping in here. Anyway, the screen was flickering. And now it's working again. So it has been flickering for a long time. I thought maybe it was the capacitors. But they seem to be okay. So I found a suggestion on the internet about cutting a jumper over here on the power supply. This one. And what does this do? Well, if you look at the schematics, it's not in the schematics. That's the strange part. Here. But up here you have a signal that's coming from a IC, which has a detection circuit here. So what I figured out is that this pin is detection 2, and probably something is going on here, so something is too low, so it turns off the TV, or it flickers, because this signal goes to the cold cathode lights control circuitry. So yeah, so here you can see it comes here from the this what's it called again, optical protection unit, and then up here into enable this chip, which is a cold cathode driver. Yeah, so I can't find the jumper in the schematics. Maybe it's a secret. Okay, so the mains power comes in here, and it's filtered. Choke. You have the rectifier, and yeah, so this is the power circuitry, the high voltage side, 400 volts. And down here you have an IC, which is not interesting right now. You can see the rail on the top there, that's the high voltage rail. And you have this divider IC, divider resistance down here from this rail. And if you go down here, and the reason for having so many is because to spread out the heat, I guess. Or maybe it's because it's so much voltage. And you can see this one goes into detect 1. But detect 2 is the one we have cut on the O2 here, called UVL low. So this is under voltage, I think. So that 2 is here. So it's above that. It's on the same, but it's above this one. So I think maybe it's a design mistake they have made. Maybe that's why Samsung decided to tell technicians to cut that jumper. So it works, and I'm going to put it back together and try and connect it up. So yeah, as you can see, it works rather great. So it's behind the the old TV's behind there. And if I change HDMI, it's computer. Really great. So I had to put audio because I don't have audio on the HDMI. So behind, oh my god, it's 17 minus and a half. Anyway, I don't have audio on HDMI, so the first thing I did, I connected the computer on HDMI 2. So, but then I couldn't get audio from the headphone jack, or yeah, it's a jack plug. So I thought maybe I must have it on PC setting here, but no. Once you have it here, then you get audio, cabled audio, together with HDMI. So I thought, oh, that's great, because then I don't have to route audio out of my amplifier. So there you go. And we come in here, but not there. Oh, so cool. Different colors though. This is a great screen though. It's SIPS. Really nice for editing photos. Yeah, so about the power supply. I think maybe this detection circuit is triggering on the 400 volt, because it's supposed to be rectified and stable, but when the capacitors get worn or deteriorated, you get ripple, and that ripple may cause the detection circuit to flicker on and off. So yeah, I think maybe that's happening. So I could replace the capacitors, but maybe we'll just get the same problem later. So, and I think there's no point in replacing capacitors if the TV is working this great. It's just a detection circuit anyway. Thank you for watching, so we'll see you another time. Bye bye.